everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete and remove the security pin that you have to enter in when you're trying to buy something from the store or reset your factory default settings, etc. on your Amazon Fire TV. And this is very easy to do. So we can go on over to settings, and then we want to go over to preferences. And if you remember your pin, you can go under here, and then you can go to parental controls, and you can simply turn this off, and that will remove the pin. Now, if you do not remember the pin, you won't be able to turn this off under preferences. But we can still go on over to devices and software, and then going down to reset to factory defaults right here. And then what we want to do is back out, select this, back out, select it again. And after about 3 or 4 times, this will prompt the TV to bring up this message that says reset to factory defaults. You are about to reset your TV to its original factory settings. Your assigned information and personal preferences will be lost. So preferences. This also includes your parental controls and that security pin that you've been having to enter in. So if you forgot your pin, this will completely remove the pin and you will no longer need it when you go ahead and buy something from the store. And you can always turn those back on under the parental controls if you want to create a new one. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.